Hi everybody. Sorry I've been here because I'm so busy again, and I would like to share my Rustic Garden junk journal, and this is like my masterpiece. It took me almost 2 months to finish this project because there are a lot of detail in this journal, and you will see what I mean, because I have to have a lot of patience to do this journal because of the binding that I use, the new technique. I'm going to call this one is Bohemian 3 binding done. So yeah, if you are interested my kit, I will put the link below, and this is for your inspiration, and this kit will be on sale in my Etsy as well. So this is the first page. I love this kit so much because currently I'm obsessed with all the garden. So I will share with you what I mean about Bohemian 3 binding. There you go. It took me ages to finish this one because there are so detailed in this one, and I use a lot of wax thread binding. I think it's about the whole, almost the whole row, which I order from in US and import it to my country. And also I leave the tail like a French braid. I think is very nice to keep more detail, and also this one is very neat. You see it, okay. And I will show you the insides. All the paper I use like 150 grams because I do the binding, and the paper, yeah, I just tea dye, and some of them I coffee dye. So I will going through and then talk it all. And this is the first of a cover, and this one, yeah, is the paper, and all the edge, if you see, I just decor the edge by hand, and then after I tea dye the paper, I decor the edge and then ink it up, and also buy the book and trying to find ephemera to add in this journal. And this one is mulberry paper with all the leaves inside the paper. Is very neat, and I think it's fit with this kit very well. That's why I put it in. If you see here, I like the thread, I put like some knot is like a signature, and this I put like some ephemera, a small envelope here. It's so sunny today. And this one I just print. This is about the collection of the seed and the flower, so I just put it in. So and also click this one on this page. Oh, sorry, maybe, yeah. And also I tuck this on the other side, and I use also the brown paper because this book is good for journal, and also you can add all the picture and everything because it's very sturdy. This is like gymnasium member ticket, and I also use some washi tape like a tuck spot. And this is also, everything is from the kit except for this one. This one I found this on the Pinterest. Sorry, I just fold this one like a 3/4, and then clip this. Okay, and I love all, I mean the green color, the seed, and all the flower and all the rose, everything is perfect. And this one I just think this one, it might add some contrast in this journal. So rather than a flower. And also this is like some note that there are a lot of rooms for note for this one. So I will go so fast because basically most of them are the blank journal, which are the tea dye and the ink it up, and also the mulberry paper. This love it so much. And also this is, I think, the letter. So turn it up to make it more contrast and just clip it. There are there are total of 12 signature, and each signature there are 4 pages. So in total is about 196 pages. The size of the size of this book, this journal is 8 and 5.5. This is the fabric. I think it's suit with this journal. It's like all the rose and the flower, so you can touch and feel it. And this is like some torn, so I left it that way. And this is like the washi, the fabric washi tape in the flower. And this is some tag. The little things you do mean a lot to me. And this is also add-on. It's about the garden. And this is like the flip with the washi tape of the flower. I love this kit so much, and I'm planning to do another one, but it's take a lot of time to do one journal because for me, I want to make everything perfect as much as possible. And also there are a lot of journal going on the Facebook, so I want to make something which is like one of a kind. So it's take a long time to do. Like for this one, I'm doing like Bohemian 3 binding, which just take me ages. But I really love the end result so much. So if you are interested for this journal, please check it out, my Etsy, and also my kit on the Rustic Garden journal. I will put on also in my Etsy. And now I have like garden collection kits, which is a special price because on individual kit will cost like $8, but for 3 kits I will charge only $20, so you save like $4. So check it out and have fun with it. You can print any as much as you can because it's high resolution. Oh, and also everything that I print on here is on laser jet printer, so you don't have to worry that the color will fade in a nearer time. It would take a long time to finish it. And yep, this is it. Sorry, it's so sunny. And yeah, and I hope you like it. Give me some comments and check it out my shop below. Have a good one. Bye.